This is my second stint at TCG Digital. In my first stint, where I worked at TCG Digital between 2016 to 2020, I was a program manager for programs that we did for our aviation portfolio. I rejoined TCG Digital in September 2024, and now I head the support factory, where we manage support across global clients that we have. So I manage support factory projects now, and at the same time I also manage, look at delivering aviation projects from offshore. Earlier, when we used to take business managerial decisions, it was primarily based on intuition. We knew our project teams, we knew our clients, we knew the business outcomes, and we knew the business problems that we had worked on in the past. When we spoke to our clients, we spoke to the team members, and whatever knowledge we could capture, we took decisions based on that. However, with AI in the picture now, what we do is we have a lot of data in the organization. We can take business decisions based on the data that we have, which I would say based on insights that AI provides us. We are able to take better decisions now. Not just decisions, we are also able to predict, because AI, we use AI to as a predictive tool as well. So what are the business problems that could come up? What is the future? What are our clients looking for? Those kind of inputs that if we give to AI, we are able to also predict what the team or what the client is looking for, and that helps enable us to line up our team members better. We can train them, we can upskill them, and at the same time we also optimize utilization of required resources across projects based on the problems that are coming in or may come in the future. Rather than trying to force fit AI, what we do is we first identify the business problem that we are trying to solve, and then we see how using AI we can do it faster, cheaper, and with more efficiency. And that is what actually saving on efforts on solving these business problems, which anyway have to be solved. This effort saving is what actually helps us translate into lower costs and help us deliver our projects, which eventually delivers tangible benefits to the client as well. Just to take an example, one of the applications that we support, we did an analysis of the defects that were raised in that application, and we saw that we had a large number of regression issues coming out because of changes that we put into this application. So what we did was we used AI, Claude to be very specific. We used Claude tool to help us do an impact analysis of a change that we did for this particular application, and using that impact analysis we were able to do all the changes on time, and this actually when this change went into production, we did not get a single regression issue out of this change. So that is how we used AI. My first advice would be get to know the organizations well, understand the vision the organization has, understand the values the organization stands for, and also the culture that is prevalent in the organization. It is very important for anyone to fit into the organization culture and ensure that your goals align with the organization goals as well. First, understand what is your career goal, and also understand what are the technologies and what are the steps that would be needed for you to reach that goal. Once you identify the technologies, look across the organization and figure out projects that work on those technologies, which will help you reach where you want to be. So once you have identified the projects, take up those projects, officially do extra work if required. Take complete ownership of whatever task is assigned to you, even if you think it is not what you have signed up to be. For all you know, this may be a stepping stone for you to reach your career goal. So take complete ownership of tasks that are assigned to you, work with your mentors, get the maximum direction and maximum advice that you can get from them. All of these things will help you achieve your career goals.